Okay, last time I was gravity feeding this water hose here, I'm going to show you how I got it started. I'll put the water in the thing here with my jug. Let that run down the hole. The hose is down through there, down through the yard going, way down through there going. Oh, still got some water left in from last time I see. Alright, got that full. Okay, I sure got it full there. Yeah, it's water in there, that's good. Alright, give me a second. Be back. Alright, I got my line in the tank. It's in the tank right there going. Alright. There should be a running water out down there in. Let me cut this light off here. You can see the hose on the ground there. I'll save my battery here. I'll get down there. Da 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 da. Now cut this thing on. I'll show you what the deal is here. Alright. Alright. There's coming out. Give it a little bit to prime up and boy, she'll be a spitting her out. I'll be right back. Alright, let's try this. I got a leak right there. I thought I heard something spissing. Yep, I got a leak right there. Alright. Downhill we go. Ooh, downhill we go. All the way downhill. Now you can see what's coming out of it. Yep, that's how I gravity fed this water hose out of my tank. Poured the water down top of it, filled the hose full of what's called, and down she runs. And I got air. Yep, there it is. Yep, running down the hill. So I wanted to show you how I primed that hose up. So I know the other hose I didn't show you. The other time video didn't show you how I primed it, but I stuck the water in there and it's downhill running. That's what it is. So that's it. Have a good one.